Hello and welcome. In this video, I am covering 5 more international organizations. I have made another 2 videos on the same topic. In case if you have not seen the, please go to my channel where I have made a playlist in the name of international organization and please see them. You can join me on Telegram where I provide PDF of this video. Also, you can connect me on various social media platforms. I have given link of them in my description box. So now let's begin. These are the topics today we will discuss. First, World Bank. It is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to developing and least developed countries for the purpose of pursuing of capital projects. Basically, it give grants or loans to least developed countries. Like India also get loans from it for various infrastructure projects. In World Bank has two parts: IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, and IDA, International Development Association. As of date, it has several members, almost 144. And World Bank was formed in 1944, headquartered in Washington, D.C. Now, it published these 3 reports. First one is Global Economic Prospect, second one World Development Report, and third one, most important one, Ease of Doing Business. You can expect one question from Ease of Doing Business. And you should know current ranking of India is 63rd. India has improved. Ease of Doing Business ranking it is the measure of affordability of beginning a business, a new business basically. So India has improved, although India is lagging behind in many aspects. ওয়ার্ল্ড ব্যাংক হচ্ছে আন্তর্জাতিক একটা সংস্থা যে সাধারণত যারা পিছিয়ে পড়া দেশ, উন্নয়নশীল দেশ বা কম উন্নত দেশ, তাদেরকে লোনস বা গ্র্যান্টস দেয় ক্যাপিটাল প্রজেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে। ক্যাপিটাল প্রজেক্ট মানে রাস্তা তৈরি, ব্রিজ তৈরি, এই ধরনের কোনো ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার তৈরির জন্য লোনস এবং গ্র্যান্টস দিয়ে থাকে। 1944 সালে তৈরি হয়েছিল এবং যে 3টে রিপোর্ট বললাম, এই রিপোর্ট 3টে পাবলিশ করে। নাও, Bank for International Settlement, abbreviated BIS. It is an international financial institution works as cooperation among central banks. It works and makes a communication among central banks of various countries. Like Central Banks of India is RBI. So it's built the cooperation. It was established in 1930 and headquartered in Basel, Switzerland. Reports published by is Global Financial System. Now, next one, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD. It was established in 1964 as a permanent intergovernmental body. Intergovernmental body means this body constitutes and mandated by several countries. Several countries has made an agreement among them, and this body is mandated by that agreement. That's why it is called intergovernmental body. And it's a part of UN Secretariat. And the function of UNCTAD is to deal with trade, investment, and development issue around the globe. As of date, it has 195 member states. The report published by it is the Trade and Development Report, the Trade and Environment Review, the World Investment Report. Last one, the World Investment Report, is very significant and important report. United Nations Conference and Trade Development ইউএন সেক্রেটারির আন্ডারে কাজ করে, যাদের কাজ হলো গোটা বিশ্ব জুড়ে ব্যবসা, বিনিয়োগ, বাণিজ্য সংক্রান্ত ব্যাপারে ডিল করা। 1964 সালে তৈরি হয়েছিল। বর্তমানে 195 মেম্বার স্টেট আছে এবং যে 3টে রিপোর্ট বললাম, এই 3টে রিপোর্টে পাবলিশ করে। দি ওয়ার্ল্ড ইনভেস্টমেন্ট রিপোর্ট ইজ আ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট রিপোর্ট। Next one is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Oh, sorry, same topic. Another report published by UNCTAD is the Least Developed Countries report. And UNCTAD also publishes several statistics on based on field evidence. They publish some statistics like the information economy report, the review of maritime transport, the technology and innovation report, etc. Review of maritime transport meaning ships, cargo, whichever passing through maritime route. This review actually. Next one, World Trade Organization, WTO abbreviated. It is an intergovernmental organization that is concerned with the regulation of international trade between nations. So WTO regulates international trade. It is the regulatory body. It has officially commenced on 1st January 1995 under the Marrakesh Agreement signed by 123 nations. And by this agreement, Marrakesh Agreement, GATT was banned and a new body was taken over. GATT meaning General Agreement on Traffic, Tariffs and Trade. It was the first body and it was created in 1948. GATT. Now GATT is repealed and WTO has taken over its place. WTO has 164 member states and it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Report it publishes the World Trade Report. ওয়ার্ল্ড ট্রেড অর্গানাইজেশন হলো পৃথিবীর যত ব্যবসা বাণিজ্য হয় তার রেগুলেটরি বডি, ব্যবসা বাণিজ্যকে রেগুলেশন করে, নিয়মকানুন তৈরি করে। ফার্স্ট অফিসিয়ালি এর কাজ শুরু হয়েছিল 1995 সালে। ম্যারাকাস এগ্রিমেন্ট হয়েছিল 123টা দেশ স্বাক্ষর করেছিল। আগে যে বডি ছিল রেগুলেটরি বডি ডব্লিউটিওর আগে গ্যাট তাকে বলা হতো, গ্যাটের জায়গায় ডব্লিউটিও এসেছিল থ্রু Marrakesh Agreement on 1st January 1995. International Labour Organization, the next one is, it is an United Nations agency whose mandate is to advance social and economic justice through setting international labor standard. Yes, it forms labor standard, labor rules, labor policy is guidelined by these organizations. They are responsible for forming such policies. It was founded in 1919 aftermath of First World War. It has 187 members and headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. In 1969, ILO received Nobel Peace Prize for improving fraternity and peace among states. A report published by it is the World Employment and Social Outlook. So thank you friends. This is all for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.